Welcome to BEHR Presents How to Stain a Deck. Do you want to give your deck an update? Well, you've clicked the right video because we'll show you how to stain your deck and give it a fresh new look. But first things first, let's make sure you have all the tools that you'll need. For this video, we'll show you how to stain a new deck with semi-transparent stain. Before you get staining, you'll want to make sure that your deck is clean, even if it's brand new, and there isn't any visible dust or debris. Now that you've swept your deck, it's time to clean it. To do this, you'll want to wet the surface of your deck with a garden hose. Next, apply BEHR All-in-One Wood Cleaner with a pump sprayer. Wait 15 minutes and scrub it clean in the direction of the wood grain with a stiff bristle brush. If you notice some bubbles, that's totally normal. It just means the cleaner is doing its job. Now, thoroughly rinse. This is important and will help make sure that the stain adheres properly to your deck. Great, the deck is clean and ready for stain. Well, almost ready. You'll want to wait until your deck is completely dry before moving on to the next step. Using a stain pad, apply the stain in a thin, even coat 2 to 3 boards at a time, moving from end to end. We know this seems obvious, but make sure you have an escape route planned out. You don't want to trap yourself in a corner. Oh, and don't forget the exposed ends. They need to be stained as well. Give the stain 1 to 2 hours to dry before you apply your second coat. The second coat is important because it will help keep colors as rich as possible and ensure long-lasting durability through all seasons. You're all done. Wasn't that easy? For more how-to videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.